Once again, no spin. Tickling a lot. Oh? What's that? You wanna let me get out? Oh. I mean, you can try, but nothing I've been doing seems to be working. Fuck. You really think you can be the one? Well, if you do, brace yourselves. I tend to get... What? Oh. A feather pen? That's always a delight. I feel it. I'm feeling on the verge. Oh, man. Oh, fuck, that tickles. That's one. Oh. Oh, that's two. Oh, I still feel more. Oh, that's strong. I feel it. Oh, this feels nice. Does it feel nice for you? I hope you're happy with your decision. Block that one with my hand. Oh fuck, it's a little bit slimy now. You don't mind a little slime, do you? Well, thank you anyways.